Oh, hello and welcome to the Tricks and Tips series. We're on video number 2 now, and this one is about the gear selector. We've got park, we've got reverse, we've got neutral, we've got drive, and we've got B mode. The one I'm going to tell you about today is neutral, and why you should not use it. You shouldn't use neutral when you come to a complete halt in one of these hybrids. Say you've pulled up a set of traffic lights. The best thing you can do is not select neutral. And the reason not to select neutral, I'll try and show you now. We're in park at the moment and the car is trying to recharge the battery. If I put it in reverse, it stops charging the battery. If I put it in neutral, it won't charge the battery and will eventually empty the hybrid battery. In drive, it charges the battery. In B mode, it charges the battery. So the tip in this video is, when you stop, you're in drive, do not ever put your car in neutral, because the car can no longer charge the hybrid battery. The best thing you can do when you come to a complete stop, leave it in drive, let it charge, which brings us down to another button. Push the hold button. On the dash, it'll tell you you've selected the hold button. I'm in drive now. I'll turn the system off. The car's now going to try and move because it's in drive. But if I push the hold button, it automatically applies the brakes for you. I'm going to try and get the car to start. It's not going to start for me now. But whilst you've got the hold button pressed, you're still in drive, you're stopped, the car won't move. But it's still capable, it's just turned itself back on now. It's now charging the battery whilst you're stood still. If I put it back into neutral, it will not charge. It'll just kill the hybrid battery, like I said earlier in the video. Don't use neutral. Never use the neutral. If you're going to be sat for a long time, just stick it in park. But always, on every trip, arm the hold function, because it doesn't turn back on hold after you've turned the car off. Turn the car off. You saw the hold symbol was up because I've armed the system. Turn the car on. I need to rearm the hold function. That's something you should do always, but never ever put it in neutral. Thank you once again for watching one of the videos. please consider subscribing to the channel, and I hope you enjoy this series.